Okay, this is comparison between 4300K and 6000K HIDs. They're both 35 watt. Okay, the difference on the right is 4300K, 35 watts. And on the left is a 6000. You can see that on the left is a lot bluer than the right. There's a lot more light on the right. And again, in front of the car, again you can see on the left it's just white, and on the right it's just blue. Okay, this is a shot of the 4300K from outside. Well, from inside, how they look outside. And if I step out, you can see that, well, it's kind of hard to tell from the camera, but they're really bright, and I don't have xenon, so they don't get projected evenly, but they're still very, they're legal, but there's a lot of light, and because there's a lot less color, so you see really well. If I go high beam, there's like barely any difference. High beam, off, and in the camera it looks a bit bluer than it actually is in real life. Alright, this is a shot of the 6000K in my van, which is actually much easier now because it's not stick shift. Yeah, this is how it looks at night. It's blue, very blue. When I turn, it'll help you get a better see of things. It's nice to look at, but it's just really blue, and there's too much color and not enough light. If you have to drive it every day and you go out at night a lot, it's really annoying to drive with because you don't see as well at night. There's just so much blue. You don't understand how much blue there is until you buy them, you put them on, and you look at it from the outside. Some people like that, but I don't know. I just find that somewhat annoying because especially when it's raining, the blue gets it shines off the ground because it's all water, and it just shines in the air, so it looks like your headlights aren't even on, especially when they're that blue. But yeah, and